You know, Money clearly don't watch the show.
Don't worry about it.
Those things, let me tell you something. All right, guys, just in case you're just tuning in, today is a fun stop Friday, all day. We're going to have a sprinkle of semi-serious topics, but the rest is all about shenanigans. Later in the show, the Access duo will be here to suck it out, but first, the better half, of course, Monet.
Oh, wow.
I think, Monet.
The truth, the facts coming out.
Okay.
Love to see it.
She's here to ref in a game of Twister Moves. Hello.
What is Twister Moves?
We don't know,
We're all
but
gonna
that's
find out
what's
right
going
So
to
what
make it
must do,
fun.
Monet? Come, quick.
All right, so I'm going to just say a series of colors as fast as possible.
Yeah.
You guys are going to get it together somehow.
We do it together or you do one?
Your money doing it together.
All right, come, no color.
Hold on. So we're stepping on it?
So you
or-
say blue, we
step on
just
it.
1 foot or 2
Just
foot.
one foot, just a one step.
And then we have to
foot.
stay so?
Well,
Wow.
they're going to be fast, so you're just
So-
going to move as
so-
fast as possible.
All right, come.
So if I say yellow, blue, red, green, etc.
Come,
you
no, man,
just-
come, no, man,
All right,
yeah.
we ready. All right, never ready. All right, let's
Yeah.
go. Blue, red, yellow, blue, green, red, green, red. Take it low. And still blue.
When you say take it low, right?
Yes.
Are we supposed to be?
Yes, just
Okay.
like that.
Then you
Perfect.
must me
And
Drop
then
it
you
in
have
like-
to steal blue from the other opponent's
You
side.
mean steal the blue?
Steal it. Steal her
So we
blue.
just
and
go
you
over
steal
and
his
push
blue.
her off and take the blue?
No, I think
So
you
what
just
am I
stretch over and steal their blue.
So we can use hands, right?
No.
No
she said
hands,
no.
just feet.
So I still don't know when you say take her blue. I don't understand that.
All right, so she's here. You just
Yeah.
step over,
Just go
steal
so.
his blue. Yes, just like that, and figure it out. Yes.
Yeah.
All right, let's try again.
You cannot do.
Okay.
This is that nurse.
All right, blue, red, yellow, blue, green,
Threesome.
red, green, red. Take it low, and still blue.
We don't take your blue already.
All right, I think it's time for round two. Round two, everybody.
No, but I take her and she pushed me out.
So who won round
So
one?
can I catch that?
Honestly, think she
How can I
won. No
catch that?
bias on my part.
Who
Go
win?
Monet. Go
You
Simone.
Monet.
win?
have to stay
Go.
on it.
How Simone win?
You have to stay on it. You can't let her steal it. Come on now, round two. Red. Simone, you ready?
Yeah.
Blue, green, yellow, yellow. Take it low. Green, blue, green, blue, green, blue. Still red.
She red, nobody in the parade.
Don't shoot me. This is not a game for you, sir. Sir. I don't think that was a part of the game. I think I won that. You can't jam on it.
Round three.
So me no win.
Round three. You have two more chances. Come on.
Come.
But that was physical harassment. So
Come now.
that to be my point. Pattern events. This game is very physically. Okay.
So we're switching sides.
Different.
All right, we can switch
No,
sides.
wait, that's not your
No.
side.
No, hold on, man. You over the side. Come over this. Go over this.
This might be the
No,
winning
me no
side.
like go over this. Go back. On your side. Go back. On your side.
No, I see you. I see you.
Ready, round three?
Yes.
Red, yellow, blue, red, green, yellow, red. Cha-cha style now.
What?
Tin, 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 tin.
All right, so
yellow,
we're going for
red,
break. We're going for break, and you won't see. I am trying to break. Will you stop? You're not going to see money again.
Yes!
What?
We
Oh,
are
if you
the
steal, I'm never happy.